Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a lettuce wrap, or I can say a lettuce taco. It's a very healthy recipe which is tasty and easy to make. So I would definitely recommend everybody to watch it and try it, especially new mommies. Cause I know how difficult a new mommy's life is when it comes to a first baby. I had a sleepless nights getting used to my baby's feeding schedules. Every time I used to breastfeed him, I used to be very hungry and eat a lot of sugars because actually I used to crave for it, which resulted in weight gain. And we all know it's really hard to lose weight. And I bet eating lettuce and other veggies at least once a day will definitely help in losing weight and also give you the required nutrients at the same time and will never drop the milk supply for moms. Now, let me tell you the benefits of eating lettuce. It is full of fiber. We know it has a crunchy texture, which is full of fiber, which actually helps in removing the unwanted salts from the body and controls the cholesterol levels. There is also a research which says like it has 20% of protein and many other benefits in it. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and also a good source of vitamin A and C, which actually helps in digestion. It also has a chemical in it which helps in having a relaxed sleep in the night. And most importantly, it tastes great. The crunchy and the sweet texture makes it easy for us to get used to it and enjoy the taste. So guys, now let me show you all the ingredients needed to prepare the lettuce wrap. Let's get started. So we need lettuce, onions, boiled egg, mixed veggies, and I'll use mayo and ranch as a dressing and some tortilla strips just for taste. So I bought this mixed veggie from Costco and it has different kind of veggies like broccoli, carrot, red cabbage, celery, like different kind of vegetables. So I'm just using that in my taco. So let's get started. So guys, now the lettuce base is ready. I have added mayonnaise to the base and spread it all over. I'm going to add egg, onions, all other ingredients to the lettuce. I'm going to show the chicken wrap as well on the side because sometimes I do make chicken wrap. It's all up to us what we want to add in the lettuce. We can add chicken or any other meat or sausages or any other healthy stuff. It's our choice and all up to our taste. So now let me add all the ingredients and show you how it looks. So that's it guys, I have added all the ingredients. I have added egg, onions, veggies, tortilla strips, also added some salt and pepper and ranch on top of it. It's ready to eat, easy and simple recipe. I would definitely recommend everybody to try it and post me how did you like it. Also, if you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the latest videos. Thank you for watching.